Good morning everyone. Yes, how are you? Yes, I know you all are fine. और आप लोग बहुत अच्छे और बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाई करके मैम को पिक्चर्स भी सेंड कर रहे हैं. बट दोज हु आर नॉट सेंडिंग मी पिक्चर्स, तो मैम आपको स्टार्स कैसे देंगी? सो प्लीज सेंड मी पिक्चर्स वॉट एवर यू डन इन योर नोटबुक. आप जो भी अपने होमवर्क कर रहे हैं नोटबुक में, आप मैम को पिक्चर क्लिक करके भेजिए. ओके, तो मैम उसको चेक करेंगी. देन आफ्टर दैट आई विल गिव यू स्टार. Okay, so which class is your today? Today is your English class. आज आपकी English class है और हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We will revise rhymes. Okay, tell me which rhyme? Bits of a paper and my school. Okay, so we start first bits of a paper. Okay, so let's start. Bits of a paper, bits of a paper. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay, let's revise once again. Bits of a paper, bits of a paper. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up, pick them up. Okay. Now next rhyme, my school. Okay, so let's start with me. Okay, so let's start. Every day in hot and cool, every day in hot and cool, I daily go to my school, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day, I study the whole day. In between I also play, in between I also play. I will study as much I can, I will study as much I can, and I will be a very big man, and I will be a very big man. Okay, repeat with me once again. Every day hot and cool, every day hot and cool. I daily go to my school, I daily go to my school. I study the whole day, I study the whole day. In between I also play, in between I also play. I will study as much I can, I will study as much I can, and I will be a very big man, and I will be a very big man. Okay, आपकी rhymes revise हो गई है. Now what we will do? We will revise phonic sounds. A to H. Okay, so let's start with me. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for X. Sound of A is A, A, A. Okay, your next sound is B. Sound of B is B for bat, B for ball, B for bag, and B for bus. Ba, ba, ba. Sound of C. C for cow, C for cat, C for car, C for cake. Ka, ka, ka. Your next sound is D. D for dog, D for doll, D for Dan, and D for duck. Sound of D, da, da, da. Okay, your next sound is E. E for egg, E for eye, E for eagle, E for elephant. A, a, a. Sound of F. Sound of F, fan, F for fish, F for frog, and F for fruits. Fa, fa, fa. Sound of F, fa. Next sound is G. G for goat, G for gate, G for grapes, and G for giraffe. Sound of G is G, G, G. Next is H. H for hat, H for hen, H for house, H for horse. Ha, ha, ha. H for ha. Sound of H, Ha. Now we will learn new sound. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ink. I for iron. I for ice cream. Sorry. I for ice. I for ink. I for iron. And I for ice cream. Sound of I is ink, iron, ice. Sound of I is Okay. Now we will learn another sound. J. J for jug. J for jar. J for jam. And J for jeep. Okay, let's write once again. J for jug. J for jar. J for jam. And J for jeep. Sound of J is ja. Jug, jar, jam and jeep. Okay, so let's revise once again. Sound of I. I for ice. I for ink. I for iron. I for ice cream. Sound of I is ए. छोटी ई की मात्रा जो होती है उसका साउंड आएगा. I for ice ए. I for ink ए. I for iron ए. And I for ice cream ए. Next and last sound is J. J for jug, ja. J for jar, ja. J for jam, ja. And J for jeep, ja. Okay? So you have to revise at home sound of I and J. Okay? Now what we will learn? We will learn cursive capital letter and revision of A to F. Okay, so take your 4 lines notebook and let's start with me. So let's start matching. Okay. A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, all these are small cursive letter. Now we will make capital cursive. A, C, F and E. Okay. So let's find out where is capital cursive A. This one. Okay, where is capital cursive B? Match to small cursive C to capital cursive C. Okay. Small cursive D to capital cursive D. Small cursive F, capital cursive F. Small cursive F, capital cursive F. Okay. In this way you have to do exercise in your notebook. Okay. Now what we will learn? Next letter G. So now let's start. First we will learn this simple capital G, simple small g, and small cursive G. Now what we will learn? Capital cursive G. This is capital cursive G. So now I am going to show you how to make it. So let's start from the third line, up, down, then again up, down. Okay, again let's start. G for grapes, G for goat, G for gun, G for giraffe. In this way you have to make capital cursive G. Okay. Start, up, down, up, G. Sound of G is G. Sound of G is G. Okay, now G is complete. Now we will learn next letter H. Simple capital H, simple small h, small cursive h. Now what we will learn? Capital cursive H. Capital cursive H. Now I am going to show you how to make it. H for hand. Start from the second line, up, then down like this. Again make a draw line like this. H for hat, H for hand. H for horse, H for hut. Okay. Sound of H is H. You have to make it very neat and clean. Sound of H, H. H for horse, H for hat, H for hand. Now your H is complete. Okay. Now next we will learn I. Simple capital I, simple small I. Small cursive I for ice cream. Small cursive I. Now we will learn capital cursive I. This is capital cursive I. Okay. Start from the second line. like this and straight and turn. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for igloo. I for iron. I for ink. And sound of I is A. Okay. Make it neat and clean. Now, next letter is J. J for jug. Simple capital J. Simple small j, small cursive j, J for joker. Now this is capital cursive J. So now we will learn how to make it again. So let's start. J for jug, capital cursive J. It is similar to I. Okay, start from the second line, up, down, touch fourth line, come back and complete it. J for jug, J for joker, J for jam, J for jeep, J for jar, and the sound of J is ja. Your writing should be neat and clean. Your formation should be proper. Okay. Capital cursive J. Okay, so let's revise once again. G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, and J for joker. Okay. All these are capital cursive letters. In this way you have to write in neat and clean and correct formation. Okay. Okay, so now today's class is over. So your homework is matching of A to F and new capital cursive letter G, H, I and J. All these are capital cursive letter. You have to do like this in your notebook at home. Okay. And do practice also phonic sounds. Today we will learn I and J. हमने आज I और J new phonic sound किया है. So please revise it. Thank you. Goodbye. And please send me pictures of your homework. Okay.